Okay. Ayun. Sa mga U-turns natin, yung single solid white, pwede po tayong mag-execute ng crossing movement. Like, turning left, U-turn with caution. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Bago ka mag-cross, you must see to it na malayo pa yung opposing vehicle. No? Malayo pa. Safe. Kaya sinasabi dyan, you can cross, you can turn left with care or with caution. No? So, laging tandaan, ha? Single solid white, no overtaking, but crossing movement is allowed. Pwede yung crossing movement natin sa ating mga single solid. But remember, crossing movement with caution or with care. Kasi kapag na-involve tayo sa isang vehicular accident, no, pwede po tayong matalo. Dahil nga po, yung mga sasakyan na nasa inner lane, ito binabaybay natin, yung inner lane, sila po yung may priority. You must yield right of way to all incoming vehicles to your opposing lane if you want to execute left turn or U-turn or crossing movement. So, laging tandaan, be defensive driver.